Hey folks, welcome to our channel. I hope you're doing well. We are from BMN Infotech Private Limited, a leading IT company in India. In this video, we will see how we can run a select query with the help of a model inside Laravel IE with the use of ORM. In this way, Laravel will remove the object from you. If you want to see it in object, then you can put here function to array and then reference it will convert into data array. But C2 array runs only when the object is not empty, meaning if data is not found in the database and you run to array, it will generate an error here. So to array has to be run only when we know that there is data in the database. So at present we will not run to array. We will keep the data like this, and I will tell you how we will see this data if we don't have pre. Has been, and now we remove pre and refresh, then we will see such data which understand which data is which value. You will not be able to understand all these things here, so I have put pre because we are going to remove all this, and we will write here that $data equals compact. $data created a variable named, which is going to carry different data from here, so at present we have only one named customers. So at present we are sending only this. But in future you will have more data, like you will add products, like you have to include categories, colors, fabrics, all these things. So you have to fetch data from each table, and then we will pass multiple things. Then compact function works to make array, and what works for array. Whatever variable you pass here as a key or pass a string, it creates an array of that variable and pushes it. Now you have to write here that go to the page with view and along with $data. We have to go to that page, but we have to take the data, and if you refresh then you are on this page, and now we go to the view page and we get you printed on this page and see how it looks. Then we do pre here. Pre open and close, and here I print R and show you. So what was the name of our data customers? So this Arya Hoda brings all the data here, and you can extract whatever you want from it. You can see that we are on the page with view, and I will take you down on the page with view. You will also see the table below because we have not removed the table yet. And your data is gone from above. So now I don't want to print the data like this. So I have to run an array here and a loop here, and that loop will run around this tr, and we will write it for each, and for each we and also have to do, because here we are doing it with blade template, and you have to take care of these things inside blade template, that if for each is open then it has to be closed also, so that you will know to what extent it is a function. Then we'll take $customer here and take the array that's in it, and the for each iterates the array. So I have an array named $customer, and I will extract the detail of each customer, and if you want you can give any name to that key. And now when I refer here, you are seeing that 4 boxes are going to be made here because 4 roots are going to come here. So let's move on to the next step. Now we have to print that data. The array of customers will run in the loop once and keep giving data to this variable named customer, and if I get his name printed here, then you hear $customer as arrow operator and name here. Why is it, guys? Because what is this customers? It is an object and not an array. So whenever the object comes, what is the method of extracting data from inside it? Array operator. So whenever the object comes, then what is the method of extracting the data from inside it? Arrow operator. If object doesn't come and array comes, then you can write single quota in it with the help of square brackets. So now we have customers object, and I pass all this here. Then we will change the name here, all the columns which we also have. So look here, we are getting this data show, whose data is missing. It will give its missing show number, and now I want here I am not written. Mail is written. And here is the status. Here active is written, inactive is written. How to handle it? If possible, for this we all will first come to the status, and we will put if on the status 1 that status equals 1, then we have to write active here, and after putting it else then show active here. If active show is done, then inactive will come, and see here it is written as active. Now next we copy this thing, and here we copy it in gender, and if gender is M here then male should be written here, and else if we have to check because we are writing 3 things in gender. So those 3 things are written in the structure in the data. All 3 of them have to be handled here, so if there is F, then female will come, and next will come males, and here others will come. Here we have kept only 3 things, and here we refresh. Here we do some changes in the database, and if you look here again, you will see the changes. So the concept is very simple, guys. You have to fetch data from database, and for that you have to take help of model. So when your user will create data, then this data of yours will appear on this page. So from here we will create if you go to the page. Then from here you can create new data and submit it. Then this data is coming from the database. The using model is coming and Laravel gives you so many lines of code that you can do this work. Just some way you have to keep the day that with the help of controller you will pick up the data then pass it to the view and then on the view you can represent the data in this way. So I hope guys, you must have understood all these concepts very well. If you are new to the channel then like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tell in the comment box if you face any kind of problem. See you guys, stay connected with us in the next video. And do what you love. So I hope guys, you must have understood all these concepts very well. If you are new to the channel, then like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tell in the comment box if you face any kind of problem. See you guys, stay connected with us in the next video. And do what you love.